Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a moving text effect using motion blur. Let's make a fast moving text effect using motion blur. Type your text with a bold font, then duplicate the layer for backup. Now go to the filter and select motion blur. Set the angle to 0 or horizontal speed. Increase the distance until the blur looks stretched. Duplicate the blurred layer and reduce opacity. Now merge both for a balanced motion look and add a glow or gradient overlay for shine. You can even animate this in Photoshop timeline for motion videos. It's great for intros or YouTube thumbnails.